Kumbo julong manlau senam ya kasni karpang jong Nonghikai la rakhi ya kasantarik mentau benai hawas kasil sakabala penlong deka office jong district school education officer ha BRC hall DSEO office nong soin ha kani ka jing rakhi ya ni kasngi la samru ya ki kusnam sekin ringut ki Nonghikai jong district dau kongsan uba TL lingwa deputy commissioner bayo kusnam ki kentop yo ba comfort stone war principal Mairang Presbyterian high secondary school kong sida mon kurba headmistress warit UP school kong mum daris Mary khardau saw head teacher Nongkanyang RCLP School, Kong Bida Seudor El Mauna Teacher Mairang, Vidya GOT Inclusive School, Nang tau ba Ashal Marwen, Astan Teacher Peneng Umyong Presbyterian Secondary School, Bat Kakong Banala Kharmaulong Mairang, Vidya GOT Inclusive Secondary School, Kumki Best Scout Master Bat Best Guide Captain, Katba Kastit Award Kalit Sei Kong Spell T Doris Sanglin, Vice Principal Anderson Higher Secondary School, Nong Soin, Bat Kajik Aiburam, Lale Hasilong. Habakran ha kajelang kum kongsan uba tilingwa ulong ba kakam Nonghikai kadai kakam kabadon buram ha pat Nonghikai kilong kum ki resort ba kibai lam batte yakari ulai thuru ba kibrio ki kham Kohnguh ya Nonghikai banya ki Ophisar sarkar ha balik penlong awareness program kumta Nonghikai ki deben pusong thuru ya ki pa bat ki khon kin khra kot ba watla omlong school
as Radha Krishnan says that true teachers are those who help us think for ourselves, for ourselves. True teachers are those who help us think for ourselves. So, each and every human being has the brain, has the mind, and has the soul. They have the capacity to think for themselves, but they need also somebody to train them, to enlighten them, to show them the way. So that they can improve. They can improve their thoughts, they can improve their emotions, so on and so forth. So the role of the teacher nowadays is increasing day by day because when we government officials go to the village to create any awareness, people generally they may believe or they may not believe, especially the children. But when the teachers say, even if they say sometimes they say the wrong thing, also the children will obey. They will believe. So that is why teaching is very sensitive in itself because one has to be very cautious. One has to be cautious to teach the right thing only.